Thank you, Angie Duncan BPHCN. You have a great question here from my previous video. And with that, I made this video specially for you. Today, we're exploring a few alternatives to the Google Trends plugin. Whether you're a marketer, a content creator, or just curious about digital trends, this video is packed with tools that will help you stay ahead in the data game. So, let's get started. So, here we are once again in the Explore GPT section. It's time to search for any Google Trends alternatives and try out a few of them. First, let's say we'll find BuzzSumo right here. Here we go. So for BuzzSumo, it's not just for tracking content performance, it also offers real-time trend monitoring. For example, let's say you want to find out what's trending in the health and wellness industry. You'll simply go to BuzzSumo right here and start a new chat. Here we go, and there. From there, simply put in your prompt as you asked for. Just put it in right here. So let's say, what are the current trends for health and wellness for the past 24 hours? Then you would either click send, or you can just hit the enter button and see what BuzzSumo would provide you. Here we go. See, it's currently processing right now. See, and yeah, as you'll see right here, so take a look at how BuzzSumo is currently processing. So each entry right here is currently generating. It shows the article's headline, the website it originates from, and very importantly, the engagement metrics. Not only does this approach help you stay relevant, but also ensures you're tapping into topics that your audience cares about. So, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other ChatGPT nerds like us. Another fantastic alternative to Google Trends is AnswerThePublic. This tool visualizes search questions and suggested queries related to your keyword. It's perfect for understanding public curiosity and tailoring content to meet those interests. Let's give it a try. Imagine you're researching audience questions about sustainable living. You would initiate a conversation with AnswerThePublic by asking this prompt that I put together right here, like, what do people want to know about sustainable living? Then, let's see, I'm gonna submit right here, and let's see how ChatGPT would process all the results right here. And here we go, just let it process it out, and there. From here, you can see questions like, how can I reduce my home energy use effectively? Or what are the most effective ways to reduce plastic usage from this section right here that ChatGPT had recommended? So, yeah, these are direct insights into what your audience is curious about. With these questions, you could create content such as a blog titled 10 Easy Steps to Start Living Sustainably, or a video series on top sustainable technologies in 2024. Each piece directly addresses common queries, enhancing its relevance and engagement. To make the most of AnswerThePublic, use its conversational outputs as a roadmap for your content. Answer the questions in your articles, videos, or podcasts, ensuring you're directly addressing the audience's needs. And there you have it. Now you know some of the best Google Trend alternatives and how to use them to your advantage.